Hey there. Hello and welcome to Fund to Money. We're back again with another NRI Q&A video, and here we're going to answer some queries which have been sent to us by our NRI viewers, your YouTube channel viewers. And as always, we have an expert with us. That's Chavi Prabhakar. She's the CEO and co-founder of Global Indian Solutions, which is a firm that provides a whole range of solutions for NRIs. So here are some queries which four of our viewers have sent to us, and Chabi will be answering them shortly. Welcome back. Welcome to Fund to Money. Here are some queries which our NRI viewers have sent to us, and answering them will be Chavi Prabhakar. You can find the details of our firm, which is the Global Indian Solutions, in the description section of this video. So let's get started. I'll read out from a piece of paper the queries that have been asked by our viewers. So the first query is by Tarang Parmar. Tarang wants to know how much balance, NRI account balance, should a person keep or is allowed to keep after one returns permanently to India. The next question is by Jayesh B, who wants to know the currencies that are permissible or allowed or provided in an FCNR account. And then there's Somesh Sharma, who's asking us that he has been in the Merchant Navy. He had an NRE account, never filed ITR because always managed to adhere to the NRI norms in terms of time, and now wants to purchase home and mutual funds, and he wants to know whether his savings account can be used for SIP, mutual fund systematic investment plan, and wants to know whether he should be filing an ITR. The last question is Anil Sharma wants to know whether an NRE salary account and Regency account, which I think he means resident account, they can be opened they can be operated at the same time. So these are the four questions which Chavi is going to answer for us.
Hello friends, it's great to be back again, and it's very heartening to note that the videos that we have done previously is proving to be useful and informative for a lot of non-resident Indians. Thank you, Udyan, for updating me on some questions that our viewers have asked. So to answer Tarang Parmar's question, once you cease to be a non-resident Indian, that is that you are intent of permanently settling back in India, then your accounts that you hold currently, which is your NRO, NRE as well as FCNRB deposits, they will need to be changed to a resident status account. So the NRE balance that you hold will also have to be either converted into a resident foreign currency deposit, which is meant for returning NRIs, or else it will have to be moved in Indian rupees into your newly opened resident account. Also, the NRO account will also have to be converted into resident status, and FCNRB deposits can be held only till maturity. Post that, in case your status is that of a resident, not ordinary resident, RNOR, then you could hold it in RFC deposits. Hope this answers your question. Then we have a question from Mr. Jayesh B. So he has inquired about what are the currencies in which FCNRB deposits can be held. Basically all the banks offer FCNRB deposits in the 6 major currencies, which is USD, Pound Sterling, Euro, it is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and the Japanese yen. So these are the 6 currencies in which the FCNRB deposits can be held. And the time period for the FCNRB also ranges from 1 year to 5 years. Then we have another question which is from Somesh Sharma, and he's asked a specific question about him being in the profession, and he's a merchant navy person, and has managed to always keep his status as a non-resident Indian. So definitely, even NRIs. Here, I would like to suggest, even NRIs should ideally be having their PAN card and should also be filing their income tax return, even if it is a nil return, because there are certain heads, like incomes, which should be declared, and if you do not qualify for tax deduction, or if there is you are falling within the bracket of 2.5 lakh of income, rupees income per year, then you could also claim for refund in certain cases. And so I would always suggest, it is a very nice thing to do, that you file your income tax return, and then work around, if there is any kind of refunds that is applicable to you. And therefore, the moment you have your PAN card, you become eligible to invest in various assets in India. So they could be financial assets like mutual funds, and as you have mentioned, systematic investment plans, or it could be in real estate, because it is mandatory to declare your PAN number when you do any kind of purchase of any asset in India. So I hope this answers your question. But yes, I would also suggest, do connect with your chartered accountant and tax advisor for more details. And then we have Mr. Anil Sharma, who has inquired whether we can open a NRE account, and I'm assuming that the account mentioned is a resident account. So I will just like to say here that as long as your status is that of a non-resident Indian or a OCI status, PIO, as long as you have that status, you should be holding a NRO, non-resident ordinary account, NRE account, and fixed deposits in foreign currency under FCNRB. So you cannot hold a resident status account simultaneously with the NRE account. And the moment your status is of a returning NRI or NOR status, then you can hold resident foreign currency, RFC deposits. I hope this answers all your questions, and I'm looking forward to addressing more of your queries. Thank you, and keep watching our videos. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Chavi. I'm sure these answers would be very useful to all our viewers, not only the four who asked these questions, but to others as well. Keep connected with us, keep following our videos, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected with us on all leading social media networks. Till our next Fund to Money video, take very good care of yourself, and goodbye.